What's up guys, welcome to Reed Switch Tube. In today's video I'm going to showing you my basic pen torch. In the pen torch you can see where the liquid butane will be stored, and there will be the switch to turn on and off, and there where the jet's nozzle will be, so the air will be in there to take over to the nozzle and burn perfectly with the ratio of fuel and the oxygen to create the perfect burn. And also I'm going to hold in this with a soldering wire, a bundle of them. I can hold them easily upwards, and I will get the distance so let you see, and then I'm going to ignite it with electric sparks. And in the future I might show you a working principle of this jet mini pen torch. Open the fuse so you can hear it sizzling, and then get the power supply. Now you can see it's perfectly going. Watch what happens when we block the air hole. It turned to normal bright light as the normal yellow flame. Also, I got to tell you, it wouldn't be look so bright in real life because the camera lets all the light in, all the photons in, so you can look it up really bright. Now if I let my hand go, let the air in, now it turned blue. We can even adjust it to make an even powerful flame. Wow, that would be using loads of fuel. Now I will turn it off. It can be used for multiple of things, such as some minor soldering and melting some thin wires, and of course lighting up barbecues and heating up things. It will be really useful, and you can also melt some glass with it, not all the type. And that's basic it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.